Today we'll talk about how can you find download content on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here. You just click here on account. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on downloads here. When you just click on downloads, then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on manage downloaded titles here. So then here in download you will find here all download you have or downloaded content. I have no downloaded content here, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Everand app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.